Hello, I'm Jorge Guerra, 2018 president of the Miami Association of Realtors and a major investor. Here's why I give to the Florida Realtor PAC.
Realtors love our communities. Realtors love our state. Realtors love our profession. We show it by contributing to Florida Realtors PAC and supporting the Realtor Party with elected officials who share our vision for home ownership. It is vitally important to do your part. Help us to continue to build on our successes in local, state, and national government by contributing to Florida Realtors PAC. It makes a difference.
Your involvement does make a difference by keeping our realtor voices loud and strong. Thank you.